So today it's apple hunt day. We will hunt for apples until we find them. Yes! Welcome to the apple hunt. We have our apple hunter number 2, Klaus Anderson. Are you ready?
No.
We have our bikes and we are ready to go. When we need to go to the toilet, we just find some nature, right?
Correct.
But only if it's number 1.
Correct.
But we can do number 2 also if it's really necessary.
Correct.
So this is our first apple we need to taste. It comes from this apple tree. We're looking for very sweet apples that explode in the mouth when we taste them. How does this taste?
Pretty good actually.
Is it sweet?
It's bittersweet.
Bittersweet. It's organic because it comes from a tree that probably hasn't been sprayed. In my opinion, it's way too sour, but this guy he likes sour fruit. What is the from 1 to 10, where 10 is the best? What is the grade on this one?
7, 8.
7, 8? Whoa, that's high. Is it better than any conventional or ecological you can buy in the stores? So now we're traveling on the bike path to find some other good apples, some sweet apple. The druid has a suggestion. We should go into the forest. So let's try that in a minute. This is the next apple we have found. So, this apple is much more sweet than the other.
Nej, det er ikke.
Yes, it is.
Nej, det var blødt og klamt. Lige før det ved at gå i frøen.
We don't agree on this apple. We also found some elderberries. Along the Brabrand bike path, we have a lot of equipment for strength training. This is how you do it.
Ej, så sidder den op på den anden vej.
We found an apple tree with a couple of apples. Whoa, it's amazing. Oh yeah.
Det er hårdt.
It's hard.
Det er hårdt.
It's so hard. No, it's hard. Is it sweet, sour?
Sour.
On a scale from 1 to 10, where 10 is the best?
-7.
Minus. Okay, it's bad. It's extremely sour. Don't eat it. Oh yeah, more apples. Even more apples. He's eating an apple. Good or bad?
Det allerførste vi fik, det var det bedste.
The first one we got was the best. Another apple tree. Ooh, apple. Popful. Aha. And a beautiful lake. This apple is almost sweet.
Ja, det er det.
It's important when you go on an apple hunt to have some climbing trousers or shorts, so you don't ruin your everyday trousers.
Det er et godt tip.
It's good to be able to climb and to find your apples. These are quite good and sweet.
Nej, no.
Yes, they
He's
are.
lying.
A bit dangerous, but you can use your bike helmet as a basket for the apples. Yeah, we can have apples for now.
And then we jump.
Do we?
Yes.
Do you think so?
Yes. Hvorfor kan man ikke zoome, når man filmer? Den skal du ikke flytte på. Det var meget glinte.
Oh, it's dangerous. Nice. Exploding in mouth, yes. This is the good shit.
Almost the worst apple ever.
Who needs hamburgers if you have these organic sweet apples? They're so juicy.
No.
Wow.
Use them for an apple pie or something.